today we're in my kitchen and we're gonna make food today because my friend's over, and I'm gonna make spaghetti and garlic bread for you guys and all of us, and we cannot eat. You guys can eat through your computers. So this is bread I'm gonna use for garlic bread. And it's gluten-free bread. See, it looks just like regular bread. Do you guys just want a piece? Do you want a piece?
Yes, please.
One piece. Okay. I'm gonna do it fast. Lots of steps here in my way. I've never actually made spaghetti sauce before. I think I made it like once maybe.
Do you want me to film Kaz?
If you want. Hey kids! Hey kids, you can eat with us! You can eat with us! Puppies can't have garlic. I think puppies die if they have garlic. No garlic for you, you would die. We don't want any dead puppies around here. Chop, 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 chop. Oh, professional. Some Food Network shit here, right? There's not enough space for me to chop really good.
Careful.
Now I'm gonna cut my finger off. And this video will not end very well. It will end in the hospital.
What happened?
I just burned myself. I burned it bad. Time for tomatoes. Tomato time. Watch me cut a finger off now. Stupid pasta. Fuck you, pasta. Burns and burns and burns and burns and burns. My fingers burn. So
Go put it in
bad.
water.
No, I must cook. Cass, eat this. Eat this. Cass, here. Might as well make the water boil. Try this again. Fuck you. Ah! Cass, mommy is in so much pain. Mommy's gonna die. Mommy's gonna die. What are you gonna do? Where are you gonna go when mommy dies?
Oh, he's so cute.
Cutting up cloves of garlic so we can have sticky bread. Whoosh! Tomato and garlic. Adding tomato sauce now. Tomato paste. You make your own sauce. Mmm, butter. I love butter. I get the one with the most butter. Yeah. Now we're gonna put in spaghetti. Gluten-free spaghetti. So I like to break them. I like to make each and every one of them suffer. Suffer spaghetti. Done. The spaghetti's done. I'm just gonna put it in olive oil. Like a boss. Yeah. And then just mix everything up. It's very garlicky and parsley. Just the way I like it. I cook this meal with one hand. This isn't for drinking, this is for my wound. Let's eat.